Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Dr. Riza. Today we will present on our business project of business profile and media plan for Zera food recycler product. My name is Nur Ashiqin binti Ahmad Solah with matric number 1710930. Our business profile is we are from MEAA Corporation, which is mainly located in number 39 Jalan Mutiara, Kuala Lumpur. We are a home appliance manufacturer company that produce home appliances such as blender, rice cooker, and several more that will be occupied our home or our customer home with a quality product. Today, we want to introduce our new product that will be the first in Malaysia. For the introduction, the food waste is a crucial environmental, social, and economic concern to the whole world. This problem has been worried about the whole world as it can cause the greatest threats, which are global warming and climate change. There are 1.3 billion tons of food is wasted every year throughout the world. So we are renovating the existing one that available in United States market to become more user-friendly, which called Zera Food Recycler (ZFR) in our version, and to be more user-friendly. Okay, what is ZFR? ZFR is the machine processes the food recycling from food waste into fertilizer through a fully automatic process and recycles almost all food types, including meat and dairy. It is not recommended to recycle large bones and tips. There are only 3 steps in order to use this or our product. The first step is fill. Slide open the lid and place the entire Zera additive pack inside, then continue to add food daily until full. The second step is transform. Slide the lid closed and press the start button or start the device remotely with Zera mobile app to begin the transforming recycle. And the last step is the step 3, fertilize. The result is ready to use homemade fertilizer. Then we remove from the bin and spread on lawn, garden, or outdoor potted plants. This is the step and a simple step that need to be practiced or need to be done by our customer or the user in order to use our product. Our objective is to increase the awareness about homemade or organic fertilizer among Malaysians using our best technology, which is dustbins that capable of converting food wastage into organic fertilizer. This is because organic fertilizer are safer to be used at lawn or garden because they are free from any chemical products. The second objective is to help parents teach their children about sustainability. This is because the product or our product is easy to handle or operate by anyone. Although the children can use our product, as I mentioned just now, there are only 3 steps to be used or to be handled our product. Okay, now we are moving to the marketing mix with 4 P's, which is product, price, place, and promotion strategy. So for the product strategy, we renovate some of the features that in the existing product that available in the United States market. The first renovation that we make is sensor. We place sensor on the lid. Those sensors are designed to enable users to use touchless method throughout the usage of the product. This is for hygiene purposes. We decided to use a sensor that would prohibit users from touching the barrier directly. So this will make our user have high hygiene in order to use our product. Then we also have a wheel and lock. Wheel and lock, which means that our product portable that you can move and place our product easily. And the third one is we put solar. solar panels. Installing solar panels on the trash cover. This is because the existing one use a lot of resources or energy. With these solar panels, surely will make our product save more energy. By using the solar, the government will be better support the drive to transform the country towards a more sustainable green. And for the last product strategy, we increase the quality process, which shortening the time of processes from 24 hours to 6 hours only. And the customers can use the smartphone to download Zera app in their mobile phone, and for easier configuration of the composition process. And next, we move to the price strategy. The price is from 1,500 ringgit until 3,000, and this is because we make two types of payment, which is assurance payment and full payment. If the customers want to make assurance payments, they can do two times in order to pay the product. And if they make full payment, they can get extra 10% of discount when they purchase our product. And they also have 1 year warranty. Our product also have 1 year warranty. For if any problem that occur during the 1 year, our customer can come to us. Okay, for the place strategy, we are based on Kuala Lumpur, so we are targeting the families which is housewives in urban areas. And the promotion strategy, for the promotion, we decided to distribute to the local independent retailers, so people can get our product at their place. And then we use public relation in order to people to know our product. And we also use media planners that we explain further in this presentation.
Thank you, Ashikin. So next is the SWOT analysis. The SWOT analysis is strategic planning technique used by Zera Food Recycle based on the performance of our product. This part will provide greater insight into the internal strengths and weaknesses, as well as the external opportunities and threats existed by the environment related to the business project and planning. First is the strength. The strength First strength is the environmental friendly. Zero Food Recycle is a green technology that can process organic kitchen waste to produce compost. This process requires within 6 hours or overnight and helps to reduce everyday garbage. Further, our product also support the Ministry of Environment and Water and the non-government organization to promote safe electricity by using solar energy to create a green urban society, and the implementation of solar panel is easily to install by our skilled labor as our strength. Secondly is the modern design of our product. Zera Food Recycle is using modern design with innovative use of technology. Further, compared with the conventional furniture, modern furniture is more effective. Zera Food Recycle is available in the stainless steel base, a material that offers a great strength touch to your living space. The color of the product is a classic white used to portray a luxurious elegance, modesty, and still one of the hottest trends in the world of design. Further, the establishment innovative with new features in our product in order to fulfill the customer's need. Thirdly is the free maintenance warranty. Zera Food Recycle is highly concerned about the user's needs, and service is a very important consideration in today's market competitions. Although it is a product and needed maintenance service far more than any home appliance, Since the product is the pioneer of the greenhouse appliance industry and will continuously lead the market competition, thus buy a product of Zera for recycle and pay no maintenance for 2 years featuring the following services. First is the maintenance program, which allows you to contact Zera customer center directly via Zera application when it needs to service or maintenance. Secondly, the new product limited warranty. Your warranty covers defects in materials for the first 2 years, so the customers can rest assured the product will perform as expected. Additionally, the company's key point is to provide the best service to gain customer satisfaction. Okay, next is the second point, which is the weaknesses of the product. The product's weaknesses can be identified. First, the implementation of solar panel can be costly. The problem appears when zero food cycle is powered by sunlight through electricity generated by solar panel. The cost for the installations is around 60,000 or more. But if you look at the numbers alone, it can be sound a little expensive, but the value may also be considered beneficial in the long term. Nevertheless, solar energy technology is continually going fast, and developments will have to be stepped up to decrease the cost over the time. And the second weaknesses is the facing the weather challenges. The weather does affect solar panels' performance, impact on the much electricity of your system generates. Mostly during cloudy and rainy days, solar energy can be still obtained, but the efficiency of the solar system is declined. And the third point is the opportunity. The product's opportunity can be seen as the new technology. Zera Food Recycle is the first company which produces organic compost by solar energy and has a great opportunity to escalate its sales and make it a leader technology in the home industries. Additionally, by using high technology, it is possible to raise the trend of the solar sectors in Malaysia, resulting in great demand in today's market. Secondly is the big potential market in Malaysia. Malaysia is a new potential market for our product due to the availability of local solar suppliers and high standard equipment in the country itself. So the Zero Food Recycle has a vast potential of growing demand and hence higher revenue from Malaysia customers. Thirdly is the collaborations. The Food Recycle company has fully committed to supporting the botanists and local community by doing some corporate social responsibility, and the collaboration with the government or other private company will help us to reach a greater range of customers and to develop a relationship with the customers. And with the advertising, throughout the investment in the advertising budget, advertising is immensely beneficial to increase the volume of sales. Zera Food Recycle Company will publicize the environmental awareness advertising campaign to raise the promotions amongst the environment conscious customers. And lastly, is the threats of our product. Threats to the product have been identified as the market entry, where the new competitors enter the market with the identical product with a lot of lower pricing to the customers. Nevertheless, competitors' problems are considered to be successful overcome. And the economic conditions. The worst economic condition in 2020 made a slight recession. These unavoidable factors can affect the pricing strategy, thus we have to establish the pricing and marketing strategies to retain leadership position in this industry. Next is the media planning. Since the product is a new innovation technology in Malaysia, we start to launch the business in urban area, which is Kuala Lumpur. The marketing strategy that we will execute is the non-traditional media, such as televisions and magazines. Our product emerged due to our concern to families, especially to housewives who love gardening but they need to buy more organic fertilizer for their plant. And we will use TV3 station to advertise our product by using 4 programs, which are Nona, Azalea, Wanita Hari Ini Live, and as well as the Cara Kerama slots. Meanwhile, for magazines, we have Chun's Two magazine, which are Harper's Bazaar magazine and Home and Decor magazines. And media strategies for both media will be discussed further. Okay, and the next is the media objective. In general, the purpose of this advertisement campaign is to launch a product of Zera Food Recycle in the new market in Malaysia, and Zera Food Recycle needs to become top of mind with the customers. And to do so, we need to raise awareness of the new product, and this campaign advertisement will run from August to September 2020. And the media objective for this campaign is to increase sales by 600% from August to January in the year 2021, and to establish a loyal customer base around 2,500 people within 2021 to reach 70 to 80% of Zera Foods Recycle target audience aged between 26 and 50, and to achieve 55% awareness of the Zera Foods and across the recommended target. And lastly is to increase customer interference on Zera Foods article in the official webpage amongst the customer by 60% within the 3 months of time periods. And the next explanations of the media planning will explain by my next fellow.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Ashiqin Suhaida binti Ramzi. So I will proceed to the media selection. For media selection, we have chosen two types of media, which is television and also magazine, to promote our product. For the television, we choose TV3 to commercialize our product, which we promote on Wanita Hari Ini, Nona, Azalia, and also Cara Kerama programs during commercial breaks. And the second is magazine that we choose. There are two types of magazine, which are Harper's Bazaar and Home and Decor magazine. So for the timing of the television, we have planned to advertise the product 6 times per month in television. So the duration for each slot is about 20 to 30 seconds. So for the magazine, as I said before, there are two types of magazine. For Harper's Bazaar magazine, we will publish every week of these 2 months, which is August and also September 2020. And for Home and Decor magazine, we only advertise on 1 month, which is September 2020, because we want to cut budget for the advertisement. So moving on to the rationale for media selection for television, there are 3 reasons why we choose televisions as our media selected. The first is television can reach a larger audience. So studies have shown that average time watching TV in Malaysia from 2040 to 2080 increased gradually from 3 hours 37 minutes in 2040 and 3 hours 53 minutes in 2018. So this shown that the number of views watching television is increased by years. So the second is television has ability to reach a specific target audience. So we can reach our specific target audience by purchasing ad spots and detect our target audience, which is the housewife in urban area. And the purchasing ad spot will see which area that they are living. So second is television capture the value of the audience, which is PR officer will demonstrate and show the demonstration or testimonial to the viewers that can build trust to customer to buy the product. So for the magazine, Harper's Bazaar is great towards aligning with the male and female members of the target markets, and it is a lifestyle magazine whose main readership are housewives in Kuala Lumpur. Meanwhile, for Home and Decor magazine, it's a large market coverage and high exposure potential, and its content or portray luxury, elegance, and also modesty, and this is exactly fit with the reader of this magazine and our target market. So moving on to the strategy of television, television strategy that we use is screening our advertisement during commercial break of program in TV3 station. So we will prove a short video of the function and the effectiveness of our product within 20 to 30 minutes. Additionally, at this moment, PR officer will take place where they will show the demonstration on how to use the product, and at the end of the promotional video, we also include contact number for call to action. So media strategy for the magazine. This magazine will be advertised in form of full page color on the front page and strategy advertisement place. So for the front page, we will portray the image of Zera food recycler and a little bit about its function to the readers. So for strategy advertisement place, we will place our advertisement on business board at each magazine. So we will introduce a little bit about our company, which is MEAA Corporations, and also we provide official website and contact number for any inquiries about our product. So moving on to the flow chart of television, if you can see here, wanita hari ini, Nona and also Azalia share same duration, which is 30 seconds, and where the Shereka Rama, we only advertise the product 20 seconds. So for the every month, we will advertise our product 2 weeks at 2 times on every month. So this is flowchart for the magazine. Harper Bazaar, we will advertise every week throughout these 2 months, and also Home and Deco, we only advertise 1 month, which is September 2020. So this is the budget for the television. Overall, our total for the television is 1,800,400, and the budget for the magazine is 266,000. So that's all from me. Thank you.